Hi, I'm Vasco Ispirian from Garnish Music Production School. Ableton has recently released a collection of 8 audio and MIDI processing tools as one of their latest free packs, Creative Extensions. You can find it straight in your browser, and if you haven't downloaded it yet, it will show up under available packs. You can also download it from Ableton website. As part of this pack, we have Melodic Steps, a fast and intuitive MIDI sequencer that creates evolving melodies with just a few clicks. Use it to create quick melody variations, polyrhythmic melodies, or simply randomize your results. Its interface is designed for play, encouraging experimentation and new discoveries. I'm playing with this bass patch from Analog, and I loaded Melodic Steps from my browser. Since it's a MIDI effect, it will show up before the instrument. We have quick access for octave, transpose, length, velocity and chance, which makes it a sequencer with per step probability. All the way up is a chance of 1, so that step is going to be active always, and all the way down means that it's never going to be played. We can change the number of steps as well. Scale and root, where we can select our key and classic scales, as well as triplets and swing, can be found on the right of the panel. Controls for hard or soft randomization of the sequences are at our disposal. I hope you like it and see you in the next one.